say jump, that's what we do. Cheer, we jump and cheer for you.
Look at all these kittens. Oh, kitty. Huey, oh yeah.
And you're dumb.
Hey, hey, Hubbard, hey, don't put a hole in the pillow.
With me, oh, let's just breathe.
Here it comes. He wants that toe. He's gonna get it. Oh, fuck, oh, fuck. Piss off. Piss off, toe biter.
I made a friend today.
Thomas this.
Look at those intense eyes.
Thank you.
Bubby.
Hey, SpongeBob, wanna see my new shoes?
What are those?
I just wanna stay in the sun where...
If you could change the world, how would you do it? Thank you. I would make it mandatory for all dogs to wear clothes. Okay, why? Because that is so cute. Oh, there's the camera. Get the phone. Get the phone on camera. No.
I just want to let you know the Shark Week starts in 5 days. I'm out.
I just love her so much.
1,500 people. This thing at the Custom special event that is tomorrow.